To free up space on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down to the device care right here and then look for the storage options. When you enter storage, you'll be able to see the easy way to free up space on your phone. And first thing you may see is the files categories that take most of the space in your phone. So for example, we can read that the apps take 12 gigabytes of our device. Usually the apps will take most of your space except the system, as system files are needed and you cannot remove them. So in this case, just go for any of the category that you think would be the best to clean up. As for example, there's apps that you don't use, like I'm gonna look for something here. Here's Netflix, I'm not using it. I can select Netflix and then uninstall it to free up 240 megabytes on my phone. So that is the first way that you can clean up your phone. The other way to do it is to select duplicate files. If your phone detects that there's any duplicate files, you can then select those files and remove their copies. After that, there's large files. If you select this option, you'll be able to see all of the files that take most of your space. For example, there's voice recording that I don't need and I can remove it to clean almost half a gigabyte on my phone. You can also see suggestions right here and recycle bin. In recycle bin, you can clean this up frequently because it deletes the files after 30 days, but if you really want to free up space, you can always remove things from your recycle bin. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.